Hello guys, good morning. Nagpalit ako ng compressor ngayon, assembly. Ang issue nito is laging pumuputok ng fuse. So nakita namin is yung AC clutch. Based sa standard na resistance ng AC clutch is nasa 3.5 something kung di ako nagkakamali. Pero ito siya guys, tingnan mo, 2.1 lang. So it means it's shorted to sa loob. Ayan yung reading ng bagong compressor guys. Ayan yung resistance ng ng AC clutch. See, nasa 3.5. Ayan, nung unang sinukatan ko to nasa siya 0.05 ohms. So ibig sabihin shorted siya. So since warranty to and wala namang AC clutch lang, so assembly yung pinalit namin. Yun lang guys, share ko lang. Thank you, God bless.